Here are my two Hoover Elite II Total System Performance 430s. These are the Mrs. Doubtfire Hoovers. Well, there was only one, but these are both identical, and this is the model that was in Mrs. Doubtfire, for people who don't know. So I got the one on the right here from my friend Kieran. It's in good shape and it works good. It's just missing all the attachments. The logo on the bag isn't faded. And then the one on the left, I got more recently from my friend Adam. Thank you very much, Adam. Oh, and thank you, Kieran, as well. This one also works really good, and it has all of the attachments. The logo's a bit faded, but it still has a sticker, which is good. This one was missing the knob here, so I put a different one on. This one still has the original. And also, this one has a regular paper bag, and this one has a HEPA bag in it. I figured I'd run them both in one video here, so we'll run this one first. So here we go. So there's that one. And now we'll run this one. So there are my two Hoover Elite 6.0s, or Hoover Elite II Total System Performance 430s. Thanks for watching, and I'll have more up soon.